Hey everybody, welcome to Car City Inc., a used car dealership out of Palatine, Illinois. I want to introduce you another beautiful, super nice and clean, low mileage arrival directly from Japan to our dealership. This is 1998 Nissan Fairlady Z. In United States, you know this vehicle as Nissan 300ZX with a V6 twin cam 24 valve twin turbo intercooler engine with no modifications. This vehicle is super nice and clean, guys. It's got 64,000 miles, which is 104,000 kilometers. Imported directly from Japan. Body looks amazingly clean, super nice. That one's got a T-bar roof, glass roof. Let me just show it to you. Looks like this. Body looks amazing, guys. Super nice and clean, in a great shape. It's got lightweight sport alloy wheels, 2-piece. It's got 4 pistons front brakes and 2 pistons rear brakes. A very nice unit, guys. Super nice and clean. Fairlady Z. 4-wheel drive steering system, so your rear wheels are turning as well. And this one's got twin turbo engine, automatic transmission. Super nice and clean. I'm gonna start it for you in a second. We're gonna check how the engine starts and how it works. It runs and drives great. Beautiful. Super nice and clean, guys. 64,000 miles. Oh, amazing. Body looks amazing. Super nice and clean. Okay. Let's go ahead and start the engine. So we're gonna check it out how it sounds, and let's check out the interior. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful. Look at these leather seats, guys. Like brand new. Wow, amazing. Another seat, passenger side, right hand drive, back seat, like new. Super nice and clean. Let me go ahead and start it. It starts right up. Nice and clean. Look at that steering wheel. It's in a great shape. Turn on the lights. Got 104,000 kilometers, which is 64,000 miles. It's got automatic climate control. I mean, guys, being 1998, look at all this technology. Automatic transmission. Nice and clean. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, AM, FM, CD. Nice and clean. T-bar roof, glass, non-smoking, no odors inside. Super nice and clean. Let me just go ahead and open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. There you go. Twin turbo engine, V6. It runs and drives great, guys. Timing chain, timing belt has been done. Here's a sticker on 100,000 kilometers, so it's been done like 4,000 kilometers ago. So ready to another 100,000 miles. All kind of, this is a VIN number on the vehicle. All kind of service records. It's been done in Japan. Front row ready, guys. Fresh oil in it. Checked, inspected, detailed. Any questions, guys, call us 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures and video on this unit. We do have more of these Japanese vehicles, right-hand drive, minivans, sports cars, SUVs, and about 20 units coming to our dealership in about end of July. So check us out. We do have about 10 units at the moment from Japan, imported. Yes, it's completely legal to drive, right-hand drive. And when you guys gonna buy it from us, you're gonna get an Illinois title already on these units. Illinois title, so you can register it, no problems, no problems. Any questions, call us 847-496-4250. Again, our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures and video, or simply stop by. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day. Amazing car.